Did you know the first alarm clock was invented over 2,000 years ago? It was created by the Greek philosopher Plato in 428 BC. But it wasn't like today's clocks. Instead, it was a water clock that used dripping water to measure time. When the water filled up, it pushed air through a whistle and made a loud sound to wake people up. Later, in 1787, an American named Levi Hutchins built the first mechanical alarm clock. But it could only ring at 4 a.m., the time he wanted to wake up. Subscribe for more such videos.